How to export high quality video in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can export high quality video in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first you have to open up your Capcut app and open your project. Now just edit it like so, like you want it to, and then you have to click this export on the top right corner. Once you do so, it's going to open up this export page. Now to export high quality video in Capcut PC, you have to come to this resolution section and choose 4K over here. And you have to click this bitrate and click this drop down menu and choose higher. Now you have this codec option, click it. And here you can see the most common compression method, efficient compression saving space, efficient compression compatibility saving space. So I have to choose this high 264 over here and click this drop down again, and then you have to click this frame rate over here and you have to choose this frame rate that says 60 FPS. And once done, now you simply have to click export over here, and that's how you export high quality video in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.